Here's a real quick video on how to replace a battery in either style of Lexus key fob. This specific one takes a 1632, and both of these styles take a 2032 battery. I've put links in the description to both different styles of batteries. So the process for all three of these is the exact same. You want to remove these mechanical key and then use that to pry the case open. For this style, you just want to slide that out and remove your mechanical key, and that's where you pry it apart right there. For these two styles, there's a little button right here you press and pull, and then there's a little slot right here. You want to pry it open like that. Same for this one. Push here, slide there. Once you have access to the battery for all three styles, you can use your key to pop the dead battery out. Now when you put your new battery in, make sure you put the positive side facing upward, and all three of these just clip back together just like that. And you want to put your mechanical key back in and you're all set. None of them require any programming. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.